Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change file name in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change file name in Google Docs, go to your Google Docs and open your document, and then just I am going to set tree plantation as the file name. Just copy it, or you will find in upper left corner untitled docs rename. Click on rename. Now the name is set here, tree plantation, or you can type the name manually. Now the name has been set in the Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.